Jordan Clarkson umarangkada sa laban nila sa San Antonio Spurs, panoorin ang highlights sa laban na ito. Ang mapapanood ninyo ay ang mga maaksyong gawalan ng Utah Jazz.
Rebounds and knocked away. Markkanen a 3-on-1. Take it up.
Kung hindi ka pa naka-follow, huwag kalimutan ang mag-subscribe sa ating channel. Maraming salamat.
Screens, Markkanen off the wing, 3.
Right, the pick and roll is the hardest play to guard in this league. Still a strong body in there.
Look at Dunn. Picks the pocket, wants to run, space. Have another steal by Dunn. Outlet, Markkanen, beautiful catch, runs it home. Oh! 4 points and 8 rebounds at San Antonio. 18-point lead. JC on that step back. Oh, half. Here's Senzelbaugh. The rebound. JC somehow deflects the pass. Sexton, Hendricks. Oh, Jazz by 20 here in the first half. Inside Walker.